Hello students. Today we discuss the forts, tombs and gardens of the cultural assimilation. In previous video we already discussed about the Boilies and Havelis, tanks, Mosque, Haveli. Now today discuss fort, tombs and gardens. Excellent example of this is Agra Fort and Red Fort. They also beautified their monuments by laying them down in the midst of the garden called Chaharbagh. This is an example of Shalimar Bagh. The first example of this style was the Humayun's Tomb, and it reached its climax in the magnificent Taj Mahal. New engineering and painting style from the 12th century onward we find introduce of arches introduced by Turkeys. These style were called architrave. Another new technology introduced was limestone cement to give strength to the building. क्या होता था कि इस समय में आर्च बनाने के लिए वो सीमेंट का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते थे, एक खास तरह का मोर्टार या लाइमस्टोन का इस्तेमाल करते थे. And a new style engineering skill introduced was the placement of the horizontal beam across two vertical columns. This engineering style was called trapeze, and this style was used in the construction of temple, mosques and boilies of stepped walls. Indian painting traditional reaches excellence during the Mughal period, and this is the Rajputana miniatures, and this one is the Pahari miniatures. Now language and literature. Arrival of Turkeys in 10th century, new language Persian was introduced, and most important Persian writer of the period was the Amir Khusro. Amir Khusro, number of poetical works including historical romances. Amir Khusro wrote his poem mainly in Persian but also in Hindawi. He had been called the father of Qawwali. He was great musician, and the invention of the tabla was also a tribute to him. तबला का आविष्कार जो है वो इन्होंने किया था. And also along with Persian, many regional languages such as Hindi, Bangla and Marathi were also developed. Bhakti poems were composed by the regional language. Main theme of these poems were love and devotion towards God. Persian literature reached its excellence during Akbar region. For example, Abul Fazl wrote Akbarnama and Aini Akbari in Persian, and Mahabharata was translated in Persian. The most notable Hindi poet of this period was Tulsidas. He also wrote Ramcharitramanas in Awadhi dialect of Hindi, Upbhasha Hindi ka, that is spoken in eastern Uttar Pradesh. And in Deccan, Marathi language developed in Bhakti saint like Eknath or Tukaram wrote language. In Kerala, Maharashtra developed as a language due to writing the Sikh Guru Punjabi to flourished. This was the feature of medieval India, was the flowering of regional language and literature and music. Sufi Many Muslim rulers are notable patronized music. बहुत सारे जो म्यूजिक थे वो ऑर्थोडॉक्स थे, लेकिन फिर भी उसके बाद भी वो म्यूजिक का जो थे वो संरक्षण करते थे. अमीर खुसरो, ए पोएट एंड ए म्यूजिशियन ऑफ द कोर्ट ऑफ अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, commented that music of the India is the finest in the world. Rabab and Sarangi during the Mughal region, famous musicians such as Swami Haridas, Tansen and Bezu Babra promoted music of North India. The great musician Tansen, one of the Navratna of the court of Empire Akbar, and now शाहजहां, जितने भी मुगल काल में जो फाइन आर्ट हुआ या काम हुआ, चाहे ताजमहल हो या रेड फोर्ट हुआ, इन सब में आप शाहजहां के बारे में ऑलरेडी देख सकते हैं. ताजमहल के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि 22 ईयर, अराउंड 20,000 लेबर, 1,000 एलिफेंट्स एंड कॉस्ट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 32 million rupees. And Moti Masjid was made up of magnificent white marble and Jama Masjid for red sandstone. The special feature of these mosques are the domes and the minarets, added beauty to and grace to the monuments. And also Diwan-e-Aam or Diwan-e-Khas. And Diwan-e-Khas is there. If there is a paradise on the earth, it is this, it is this, it is this. ये लिखा हुआ था, इस पे उकेरा हुआ था. और Humayun tombs at Delhi were built toward the beginning of the Akbar region and has a massive marble domes, can be considered as a precursor of the Taj Mahal. At this time, elsewhere medieval Europe, large churches called cathedral were built. Cathedral were the center of the pilgrim. Small towns developed around them called cathedral towns. Leonardo da Medici. Okay, now in next video we discuss about the question answer of this chapter. Okay, thank you very much.